Ready to draw?
Okay, here we go. So, let's do Lamborghini Submarine. I'm going to make it just similar to this one. Lamborghini's kind of the pointed front. Like that, really rock and roll. You got a little light there. Super sleek body. And then they go all the way back and they have a little dip here. And then you got the spoiler here, which is cool. The Lamborghini spoiler. And then we have a little curl here. And now for the submarine, these wheels I'm going to have turn up on their side and make little floating, like, kind of like Back to the Future car when it's flying.
Oh, that's a great movie, ain't that?
Oh, Back to the Future, I love that movie. You guys ever seen that? Some of you might have, but some of you, when you get a little older, you might. Parents will let you. It's a really cool movie. It has a DeLorean car in it.
Oh, them cars are fancy.
Fancy schmancy cars. They're really cool. This is looking good. And the door here with the thing here. Yeah, cool. This is sweet.
Want to see mine?
Let me see that. Whoa, that looks great! What is that right there?
Oh, that there is like a little satellite dish that's waterproof, of course.
You know what I thought it was?
A little beacon.
No, I thought it was like a Lamborghini submarine, but part whale. It was spouting out water.
Oh, spouting out water. I can see that.
Yeah.
Man, that could also be like a little firecracker underwater.
Yeah.
Lamborghini submarine
You want to
firecracker.
see mine? Hey, let me add
You
some
always draw good stuff, huh?
Hey, thank you very much. That's my Lamborghini submarine.
Whoa,
And I put a
how
little
about
fish in
that?
there that's floating by.
That looks really good. You're a good drawer.
Hey, thanks you too. That looks great. I love the submarine style windows. Those are cool.
Yeah.
Man, no, we got get some toys made that are Lamborghini submarines.
Lamborghini submarines. I reckon that would be pretty neat.
That'd be cool to have a real Lamborghini submarine.
Maybe we can make one of those someday and go try it out.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Lamborghini. That's a long one to spell.
How about sub?
Sub. Let's spell sub, which is a short way to say submarine. Excuse me, Benjamin, could you press the rock and roll button?
Absolutely!
Sub! Okay, this is rock and roll sub spelling time. Sub is s with an S. Sub. S. And then sub. That's a U. Sub. Rock and roll spelling. I love this. S-U. Sub. Does anybody know the last letter? Sub. B. And that spells sub. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. That is awesome.
Lamborghini submarine.
Submarine
That's
Lamborghini.
super cool.